All right, I just got my Create Along box stuff in from Shannon, who is my mistress of manufacture, and I wanted to unbox this for you because we have a few of them left, and I want you to see the crazy awesomeness that is inside. So this is the full spring collection, spring leaves, and I'm going to save that one for last. That's the best part. All right, so we have Luscious Leaves, which is our texture stamp set. Look at these pretty leaves. So how these work is you have an interchangeable stamp handle. So you can put these little guys on and use them for stamping. So it comes with 3 of those and a handle. They always come in this little box so that you know what's in there and you can store them. We have 2 cutters, 2 big leaves, an ivy leaf, and this sort of frilled, kind of looks like a rose leaf. Okay, and then we have a earring cutter set that features these leaves mirrored. They are sharp cutters with a mirrored leaf so that you can make earrings that match each other. I really like my earrings to be like mirrored on both sides. It also has a larger set of mirrored cutters, so you can layer the leaves or put them one on top of each other, dangle, whatever, and this fun little stud. So that is kind of matchy, but also slightly different, so you can use it as a stud or as a drop. So there's an mirrored earring cutter set with 2 sizes of ivy leaf and a stud drop. And now on to the really fun clay stuff. So we manufacture our rubber stamps right here in our Florida workshop. And this one is the marquee leaf. This is really a beautiful texture. Then we have a silk screen. This is our leafy pattern. So it's got multiple leaves for making those really fun textures on your clay. And then we have a stencil, nice big stencil. You can use this. This is our mandala number 6, and you can use these for things like light switch plates or applying glitters and pan pastels, etc., and making bigger things like a journal cover or a trinket bowl, stuff like that. Okay, and you get this little stamp that's perfect for your earring designs where you want to have some raised up looking leafy textures. And the earrings also include these glittery green studs with a little hole so that you can make drop earrings. And then last but not least, brand new at Create Along, we're building up our collection of these. This is a domed leaf with drops and studs. This is a UV resin or liquid clay. It's called Leaf. You can see the name on the bottom here. And these are made from a translucent light passing silicone so that you can use them in your resin lamps for creating those beautiful domed shiny looking earrings. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this probably on Instagram this week, but if you would like to come and grab yourself the Leafy Spring collection, you can get that now, and all of these parts and pieces will be individual in the shop in the coming weeks if you would like to pay full price for them. But why would you want to do that when you can come and get the whole thing at 50% off right now?